transaction management, so first it is necessary to understand what does transaction mean. So a transaction is a single logical unit of work that accesses and possibly modifies the contents of a database. Transaction access data using read and write operation. In order to maintain consistency in a database before and after transaction, certain properties are followed. These properties are known as ACID properties. The ACID properties are four key characteristics that define the reliability and consistency of a transaction in database management system. The acronym ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Now we will understand each acronym in detail. So first one is atomicity. It ensures that a transaction is treated as a single individual unit of work. Either all the operations within the transaction are completed successfully or none of them are. If any of the transaction fails, the entire transaction is rolled back to its original state, ensuring data consistency and integrity. Atomicity is also known as all or nothing rule. Next one is consistency. So it ensures that a transaction takes the database from one consistent state to another consistent state. The database is in consistent state both before and after transaction. Constants such as unique key and foreign key must be maintained to ensure data consistency. Next one is isolation. So it ensures that multiple transactions can execute concurrently without interfering each other. Each transaction must be isolated from each other until it is completed. The isolation prevents non-repeatable reads and phantom reads. And the last one is durability. It ensures that once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent and will survive any subsequent system failures. The transaction changes are saved to database permanently, and even if the system crashes, the changes remain intact and can be recovered. Now here are some advantages of ACID properties. What is it? Data consistency, data integrity, concurrency control, recovery. And it has some disadvantages also, that it affects the performance, scalability, and complexity. Now we can understand in summary about ACID property that what ACID stands for: atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Here is the summarized brief about it, that atomicity ensures that entire transaction takes place at once or doesn't happen at all. Consistency ensures the database must be consistent before and after the transaction. Isolation, what does isolation say? So that multiple transactions occur independently without interference. And durability ensures the changes of a successful transaction occurs even if the system failure occurs. So in conclusion, what we have learned: ACID properties, its acronym, its all details, advantages and disadvantages. So it was all about ACID properties in database management system. That's all. Thank you.